Hello, hello. Okay, I'm going to go through this one a little fast. This is how do you convert a date like this that has the date and it has the time and it has a time zone and some other junk in it. How do we make this an actual date? Because this is a text. That's why we see this little ABC thing right here. So we have to find it so we can make a calendar icon. This is going to be pretty quick actually. So we're just going to go do it right now. I'm going to open this up into an ETL. Cool. Now, what we first need to do is it's like cooking. We need to extract only the date part. We don't care about the time. We don't care about the time zone, all the other junk. So I'm going to call this thing date trimmed. And what I'm doing is I'm going to say, give me the left of that date column we have in there, and I want 10 spots. And you're going to be like, how did he know it was 10 spots? Because if I look here, because I do this too often, if I look here, I can see, yep, 1, 2, 3, 4 for the year, some type of hyphen or slash. So we're at 6, 7, 8, slash 9, 10, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I only want those 10 things, the left part. Now what I can finally do is I could do this. Give me the year. Give me the year of that date. Sorry. Now I need to pull in the first 4 digits. So I'm going to say, give me the left of date trimmed. 4. That's what year is going to be. If I hit this little preview, I got the year. Now I need to go get the month. Month, which is going to be the substring, which is how we say the middle in SQL world of date trimmed. And where am I starting? Well, if I look back here, I know the month is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It starts on 6. So we're going to go 2 spots on 6. Start on 6, go 2 spots. Beautiful. And then we're going to do the last one, day, which I know is going to be the last 2 of date trimmed because when we did date trim, we picked that first 10. Cool. There. So here's an example. We limited that big thing down to these 10 values. Give me the left, which is the year, the middle, which is the month, and the day, which is right there on the right. Now we can put it all together. And we're going to call this date 1 because we already have something called date. But I'm going to use this new function right here. I'm going to say, give me, we called it year. I'm going to pick on that one, not the function. I'm going to say we need month, which is this one, not the function. And the last one, day. And boom, boom, pow. Let's hit it. Boom. Now I see it. Cool. And what we're going to do right here is we're going to say alter column. It actually should be a date already. Let's run a preview. Okie dokie. Right there. I go to preview. There's my date. Awesome. I see the little icon that shows me it's a date function, and we got it. Cool. And then if you need to, you can rename this using select column to be date or something instead of having it being called date 1. So I can get rid of all the other junk I don't need and date. And there you go. And then you can append it to something else that has date. Okay. Hope that helps.